Hi, I'm Lynn Mears, and today I'm going to help you realign your soft close drawers. If your drawer has stopped closing softly, or it looks like this, I'm going to help you fix those issues. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fully extend and pull out the drawer. With it fully extended, you'll notice two green tabs. On the right side, this tab is going to be pulled up. On the left side, it will push down. Now, with a little bit of coaxing, this drawer will slide out easily. The next thing you're going to want to make sure is that all of these bearings are in place. If any of those are missing, please give Arrow's customer service team a call. They'll be happy to help you out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to move to the soft close mechanism in the back of your drawer. In order for your drawer to function properly, you're going to need to make sure that the front portion of that soft close drawer is pulled out. If that is engaged and locked in place in the back, your soft close drawer will not function. So reach in the back, there are two metal pins. You're going to grab a hold of those, and with a little bit of finessing, and it will lock into place, and it is now ready to accept your drawer. I like to push these back, so that'll make inserting your drawer a little bit easier. These side rails, there is a green horseshoe-shaped piece here, the channel on the top and a channel on the bottom. There are drawer rails on either side, and these rails are going to fit into that channel. So with those straight and aligned, you're going to feed each side through and making sure that that's perfectly aligned. You're going to give it a little push and you'll hear a double click. Once you hear a double click, you're ready to go. I'm going to push this drawer back into place, and now you should have a perfectly functioning soft close drawer.